Hey everyone, and welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to run through a quick and easy guide on how to turn on the Preserve Depth Control setting on your iPhone. This is based on my own experience, and it's super helpful if you like consistently using depth control in your photos. First things first, let's open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Camera, and tap on it. Now in the Camera settings, look for Preserve Settings and tap on that. Okay, almost there. All you need to do now is toggle on Depth Control. That's it. You can now exit out of the Settings app. The next time you open your Camera app, your Depth Control settings will automatically be preserved to whatever you last used. Pretty neat, right? So that's how you do it. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, please give this video a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks here at RoamTips.com. All relevant links will be in the description. Thanks for watching.